Hello, I'm Curt Shockley, the service manager at George Coleman Ford. I wanted to take just a few minutes to show you what we do to protect your vehicle in our service center when you bring it into our service department. Let's go to the vehicle. Before entering into your vehicle, what we do, we wear protective gloves. That way it protects the outside door handle. As you can see, we install floor mats, seat covers, and we put a protective steering wheel cover on your steering wheel. We feel like that this will protect the shifter, steering wheel, seats, your interior door handle, and the exterior door handle. I also want to let you know that for those that feel like they cannot bring their vehicle into us, we offer a service. We will come to the vehicle, your house, pick your vehicle up, bring it back to our service department, service the vehicle, and bring it back to your house. This process of you wearing the gloves, the steering wheel cover, the seat cover, we will do that also at your house. Hope all is well, and we look forward to seeing you soon.